Hello children, welcome back. So this is our next session of mathematics. We were in chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. In the last session we have revised till now whatever we have studied, and we have started with exercise 2.4, and I think we have done two word sums, two word problems from that exercise, right? So let us proceed again today with exercise 2.4. So let us begin. So this is our next question, that is question number 3. So let us see now here. The question is sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. So there are 2 digits, children. There are 2 digits. Suppose this is units place and the tens place. So the sum of these 2 digits is 9. So suppose if I take the units place as x, right? And if sum is 9, that means tens place the digit will be 9 minus x, children. Yes? Yes. So one digit is 9 minus x and the units place digit is x, right? So now the 2-digit number, now these are the only digit, not the value. When we write the value, tens place is multiplied by 10 and ones place is multiplied by 1, right? So the 2-digit number will be 10 into 9 minus x, that is 10 into 9 minus x, and here it will be plus x into 1 or 1 into x, that is x. So now let us begin. I hope this you people understood how to take the 2-digit number, right? So here you can see now, let the units place digit of a 2-digit number be x. Therefore the tens place will be, the digit of the tens place will be 9 minus x. Why 9 minus x? Because it is said that sum of the 2 digits is 9. So one is x, so other will be 9 minus x. Now the 2-digit number will be, as I said, tens place will be multiplied by 10, ones place is multiplied by 1. This we have seen the place value how you write, right? So 10 into tens place digit plus units place digit, right? So that is nothing but the original number is equal to 10 into 9 minus x, which is the number at, which is the digit at the tens place. So 10 into 9 minus x plus x, plus 1 into x is nothing but x. So we have written here just plus x. I hope you understood how we got the original number, 2-digit number. Now, according to the question, now let us read the next one. That is when we interchange the digits, when we interchange, children, now here, earlier it was 9 minus x on the tens place and x on the ones place, that is units place. Now we are going to interchange the number, that is units place, it will go to tens, and the tens place digit it will go to the units place. So what it will come, children? It will come 10 into x. Now it will come 10 into x plus 1 into 9 minus x when we interchange the digits, right? I hope you understood this. So let us proceed. So the 2-digit number is 10 into tens place digit plus units place digit. So when we interchange, it is found that the original number is greater than the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So according to question, new number will be equal to original number plus 27, as it is greater. Greater means plus 27. So what is our new number when we interchanged our digits? That is 10x. 10 into x plus 9 minus x is equal to the original number which we had over here. You can see here it is 10 into 9 minus x plus 27, which is given in the question, that is it is greater by 27. Now here we have formed our equation. Now we have to solve it. So you can see here now first we open the bracket, so it is 10x as it is plus 9 minus x. We have removed the bracket here, equal to right hand side it is 10 into 9 will be 90, minus sign, there minus sign, 10 into x will be 10x plus x plus 27 as it is. In the next step now, you can see here 10x minus x. Minus x means here the variable, the x variable, the constant present with it is 1. Nothing means 1. So 10x minus 1x is nothing but 9x. So left hand side it will be 9x plus 9 as it is, which is equal to, now here is minus 10x plus x will be minus 9x, and 90 plus 27 will be 117. Now here we will transport the constants to one side and variable to the other side. So in the next step you can see here children, 9x, this negative 9x that is in the right hand side is shifted towards the left hand side, which becomes positive 9x. So 9x plus 9x is nothing but 18x, and equal to this plus 9 is shifted to the right hand side, which becomes minus 9. So this is negative 9, that is 117 minus 9 will be 108. Now the next one equation which is formed is 18x equal to 108. So 18x, 18 is present with the variable. We are again going to shift it to the other side, that is right hand side. It is in the multiplication form with the x. When we shift it, it goes into the division. So it is x is equal to 108 upon 18, which is nothing but x is equal to 6. Now here we got our solution, that is the value of the variable, that is x is equal to 6. Now let us find the 2-digit number. What was the original number? 10 into, can you see here, the original number is equal to 10 into 9 minus x plus x. So substitute the value of x over here, which was 6, and get the value. So it is 10 into 9 minus 6, bracket close, plus x. So which is nothing but equal to 36. So this was the 2-digit number children, that is 36. I hope you understood this. So whenever the 2-digit number comes, you have to not only take the digits, but again the values of it will be, if it is tens place, 10 into that digit. Ones place, 1 into that digit. If they have told 3-digit number, the digit on the 100 place, whatever digit you have taken, that will be into 100. So like that you have to take. I hope you understood this one children. Let us proceed now to the next one. Yeah, now here it is the similar type question, right? So let us see what is the question. One of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is thrice 3 times the other digit. So again here there are 2 digits. Now suppose I take x on the units place. So they said the other digit is 3 times the whatever previous digit. So can I take here as 3x children? Yeah. And then they have said if you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original, you get 88. So if I have this 2 digits, so what I'll write? The first one will be 10 into x plus x. 1 into x is nothing but x. So this will be nothing but 30x plus x, which is nothing but 31x. So this is our original number 31x, which we got with this whatever condition was given to us, right? Now if we interchange the digits, now what we are going to do? Interchange it. That is, it will come 10 into x, right? And then plus 3x. We are going to interchange the places of the whatever digits are there, right? So let us go to the solution now. Let us see what is the solution. So let us see the units place digit of a 2-digit number be x, right? Units place this is. Therefore, the tens place will be 3 times the units place, the other digit, that is 3x. 3 times means 3x. Now, 2-digit number will be what, children? 10 into tens place digit plus units place digit. So, 10 into, what was the tens place digit? 3x plus units place digit is x. That is nothing but equal to 10 into 3 is 30x plus x is equal to 31x. So now according to question is new number plus original number will be equal to the sum will be equal to 88. Now what is the new number? As I said, we are going to interchange the digit. So now previously it was 10 into 3x, but now it will be 10 into x. That is the units place digit. We are going to shift it at the tens place. So 10x plus 3x. Understood? So here you can see here 10x plus 3x and plus original number is nothing but plus 31x. The result is equal to 88. I hope you understood, children, here. So 88. Now here we are going to solve it. It is very easy, children. Now 10x plus 3x plus 31x is nothing but 44x equal to 88, which is at the right hand side. Now only 44 is present along with the x variable. We are going to transport it to the other side. It is in multiplication form as of now. When we shift it, it will go to the division. So x will be equal to 88 divided by 44, which is nothing but equal to 2. So hence we got our solution, value of the variable. And now we have to just substitute the value in our original number place, and then we are going to find out the 2-digit number. So what was our original number? Yes, can you see here? 31x. So now 31x, placing the value x is equal to 2, substituting that, 31 into 2 will be equals to 62. I hope you people understood, children, this one. Yeah. So these were the two sums, very important. Try again at home. Definitely you are going to get, right? Okay, now let us proceed. A simple one this is, question number 5. So here is Shobo's mother. Present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So we don't know what is Shobo's present age, right? So let us take Shobo's present age equal to x years. What will be the mother's age? 6 times her age, Shobo's age. So what it will be? 6x years. 6 times means 6. Now they have told further that Shobo's age 5 years from now. 5 years later from now means plus 5 years, right? 5 years he will be increasing. So we'll take, now it will be x plus 5 year, right? Shobo's age will be x plus 5 years. Will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 means 1/3 of, you have already studied, it is multiply. So 1/3 multiplied by present ages, that is the 6x, right? The Shobo's present age after 6 years, right? Now present age is 6 years. After 5 years, x plus 5 will be equal to 1/3 into 6x. So now just we got the equation, you have to just solve it, that is x plus 5. Now here you can see here directly they have cancelled 3 1s and 3 2s. So here is right hand side is 2x. So x plus 5 will be equal to 2x. So 2x equal to x plus 5. 2x, x we are transporting towards the left hand side, or you can transport to the right hand side also, not to worry. So 2x minus x will be x, and x is equal to nothing but 5 years. Now what is their present age? So present age of Shobo is x, that is nothing but 5 years, and mother's is 6x, that is 6 into 5 is nothing but, yes, 30 years. So children, I hope you understood. This was the easy sum. Such type of sums we have already studied. So you have to just read the question properly, and stepwise you have to first form the equation, and then easily you can find out the solution. So let us end over here today. So all the 3 sums children practice once again at home, all right, and keep giving revision, right? So we will be back in our next session. Till then, thank you.